So, what we're gonna do, pretty much, is you're just gonna crank it over with the key.
That's all?
And I'm just going to, actually, yeah, that's all. Don't put your foot on the gas or nothing, just start cranking her over when I give you the go-ahead.
Literally front backwards?
No, it should be out of gear. So actually kick in the clutch. Third pedal farthest to your left.
Yep. Push into it?
Yeah, just push into it a little. Okay. And hold on.
Okay.
I'm missing something. Yeah, that's gonna go in the engine. No, it's not gonna do anything because it's not even hooked up. You know, yeah. Start cranking her over now.
Okay.
Hooray! It's a fuel issue.
Wow.
I don't know. It could be hooray, it's a boy. But I don't know.
Want me on that now?
Yeah, that's good. I think I figured out everything I need to know. You want to know how I was fueling the thing, Ethan? Like my fuel pump? Yeah.
That's actually fuel in there?
Yeah, I just poured gas and I was like doing this. And that's why I was like, yeah, that's why I was running like a bag of dicks. I'm not a very good fuel pump, Ethan. And I'm an even worse injector.
I can tell.
Oh yeah. Alright, well that tells me a lot. So now I just gotta figure me a
Is someone going to buy that for you?
I hope.
I hope.
I hope. I can't see why not. It's saved them a lot of time and effort and taking a regular Toyota and making it ugly.
Yeah.
Man, the time and effort it took to make this thing ugly. Alright. Well, shit. Shit. Alright, well. Oh, I gave away my old engine to another guy who wanted the cylinder head. And on that old engine is a pressure regulator. Buddy's gonna be around in a couple of days, and I can go and get my old pressure regulator off of him, which I know works. So, the good news is I found parts, because I went into the city today, and for the life of me I could not find anybody who even had one. And the one import shop who specializes in used import car parts, they weren't even able to get their hands on one. They said they could get a guy who probably would be able to source it, but yeah, I guess I just have to wait 2 days to get my old one back. He's willing to do it, considering I gave him a good cylinder head for free. Huh. Why is this wet all over here? Oh, I know why it's all wet. Because it fucking came in here and out there. Yeah, I'd do it. I'd do it. Maybe we should build block-off plates for this. Nah, fuck, I'll just bolt that cunt back on. Oh. Where'd I even put it? It's still on the truck. No, not in the truck. Where'd I put it? Oh, in this truck. There you are. Saying you don't do anything, that's the only gasket I'm really... Oh, actually no, technically I should be worried about both of them. Technically. And I'm going to screw that cocksucker back on there real gently, just to keep contamination out. Just because that's the right way to do it. Just because I like to do things. Why do I like to do things? Doing things is bullshit. Should grab a new gasket, or is this gonna hold? I guess we'll know after I get it running. If it leaks, which I'd be able to determine by soapy water. I could just put the new one on. Alright. Well. Actually, you know what? I want to get that out of the way. And the best way to get that out of the way is put it back together again. Does he work? Just get. Oh yeah, which one? Either way, it's gonna crush. It's a copper washer. Stubby go. Yeah, boy. No. What are you... Oh, this is the wrong stubby. Give me the big stubby. Big stubby. That's what I want. Alright. Now we're talking. Alright. Oh. Come on. Oh, that's tight. So let's grab the long ass wrench. 22, 22. Alright. Give that a good old crank. To crush them copper washers. There we go. That seems pretty bloody tight to me. We need to go any tighter. But we did. Get on. Yeah. That's what I wanted to happen. Alright. Let's put this dirt back on. Oh yeah, I wanted this. And grab that. in there. Have you here. There's not a whole lot I can do to really clean that off. Because there's a gasket there. Because for some reason it makes sense to the last guy to put a gasket onto a gasket. Oh, so now... You know what? It's tight enough, and it crushes. That's how gaskets work. It's tight, yeah, fuck. Yeah, if it's tight enough, it crushes enough, that's how gaskets work. I'm not worried about it. And this lightest. So... Get on that. Yeah, awesome. Actually, I want to you. Oh yeah, that'll work. Actually, let's bolt you on. Let's tight first. Once you're tight. What the fuck is your problem? Useless fucking thing. Oh yeah. I loosened it and twisted the goddamn neck back. Which doesn't help. I can see, and I see, I can't see shit. And there's a hole, I can feel it. Go on, thread in. Come on. Oh, I'll step there. Do you have, yes, you do. You still have it on there. Oh, fuck, you got warm out today. Really warm out today. This morning was nicer. The overcast. Okay, there's no way I can get the ratchet to move. Other way. 30 foot pounds, probably a little less than that since battery's full. So probably 30. Fuck, that's hot. Ooh. in there. Oh yeah, I might be able to. Oh fuck. Yep. Yep. Should be able to access that with a longer extension. Fucker. Fuck that thought. Be behind. Take all this. Son, get the fuck out of my eyes. Okay. No, don't do that, you fucking fuel thing. Piss off. Evaporates, you cunt. Oh, fuck, that's hot. Oh, it is balls. Okay, that's on. Just get the... Gotcha. Oh. Nut. It's a nut. Actually, if I can get the nut on from up here, and tighten it from down there, we could probably get it from here. Get your ass in there. Oh, it's all my swing work. There's the tight. Actually, let's double check the other ones. Oh, and of course, no swing arc. Nope, can't fucking get at it at all. Oh. I want some. Where'd that fit all go? Where am I? What was it? 27 mil. Yeah. Sure, where are my knee pads? Yeah, I do want to loosen that. If I can get it on it. It's actually all I can't get on. This is fucking thing. Oh, there we go. You loosen it, tighten it, and it'll spin it right back around. Fuck's sakes. There they are.
If your purchase auto, pick up these alignment punches. You will not be upset. These things are the best.
Damn it! The hell am I gonna get that to fit in there? Fuck.
Fuck you around.
That'll work. Fuck out of the way. Where to put that? Where to put it? Tight. And we're in. Okay, that is tight. The gasket should be crushed. And just a little extra. Just because. No. Okay. Oh, and there goes that. And you get motherfucker. Of course it's in the goddamn way. Fucking one after the god fucking damn it. Get on there, you fucking bitch. Piss off. Get out of the fucking way. Get on there. Get your half-ass fucking loose. Get the fuck on there. Fuck on there. The fucking whore. fuck out of the way, you vacuum tube. Fuck on there. Get the fuck off. Get the fuck on there, you son of a bitch. Get the fuck off. Okay, not fucking on there anymore. Fuck out of there. Go. Fuck off. Fucking damn it. Fucking terminals. Piss me the fuck off. Goddamn. Fucking hard to find piece of shit fucking regulator. Fucking fuel line come from. Fucking piece of shit. What's my fucking patience with you?
Get on there, you fucking thing. Gone, done, out. Fuck. God damn it. Fuck out of here. Fuck, 3 days. 3 days and I'll try you again, you fucking turd.